out here today at Water's Edge, which is one of the main streets that runs through Granbury. We're going to take a look today at some of the premier communities that are located inside of Granbury city limits. We've got a lot of folks reaching out that want to be outside the city. You know, maybe they're wanting the lower tax rates. They want to be in rural areas. We also get calls from people that are looking to retire here and move inside the city. That want to be, within the community, access to all the city benefits and quick access, to healthcare and to all the stuff. So today we're going to be looking behind Walmart. We're going to be going down Water's Edge and looking at several communities that are located here inside of Granbury city limits. Before we do, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and press the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about any updates on the market here in Granbury, Texas. As always, we get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you that are thinking about relocating, retiring here to Granbury, Texas. Maybe that's a year out, maybe it's months out. Feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love the chance to connect with you, answer any questions you may have, and help point you in the right direction. So today we're going to go out here and look at these properties, communities, and we hope you enjoy the video. We're going to jump into, I think it's 4 different areas and look at some specific homes and put that information together. We live here in Granbury, we work here in Granbury. I mean, we basically driven every road that's in the city, so we know Granbury better than anyone. Reach out to us. We'd love the chance to help you and give you any advice that we can. And let's jump into the video right now. All right, so we're going to start off in Water's Edge. This is a fantastic community. Again, we're behind Walmart. We're off of the main street called Water's Edge, and this little community has some great homes that are on a canal here. So this one that we're at today on Canvasback is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1989. It's 1902 heated square foot, and it's at 625. So you have water canal access, quick access to the lake. Great location in town, so you have a lot of benefits here. And as you can see, we have great mature trees that are spread out down through the property. This property has nice curb appeal. Looks like the roof is pretty new. 2-car garage. It's got some extra room over here for parking to the side. But if you look down the street, a lot of mature trees, nice neighborhoods. Yards are kept up very well. All the homes have nice curb appeal. Roofs look like they're in good shape, flower beds. So the Water's Edge community, nice properties, a lot of waterfront homes that are canal mainly. So you don't have a lot of main bodies in this area, but you will have some canal homes. And yes, it's a great opportunity to get a waterfront home. You can put a dock in, get a approval with the BRA. And yeah, so this is a great community. If you are looking for some like canal properties, if you look at waterfront, if you go main body lake, are going to be much more expensive than canals. Canals are going to be more expensive than non-water properties, so on and so forth. So I know the area. Basically, there's not a street out here we haven't driven. We know the area. We'd love the chance to give you any advice. Tell us what you're looking for, and we can help kind of pinpoint the premier or prime spots that we think will be the best fit for you. So yeah, we're going to keep going. We have a couple more neighborhoods we're going to look at. This is Water's Edge. Gives you a good idea of kind of the style homes that are available, the canals. We're going to continue the tour around, and I'll see you at the next one. All right, we're continuing our tour of homes that are located inside of Granbury city limits. We're located off of Water's Edge in the Catalina Bay neighborhood. Again, if you're looking at the city for the first time, they're located directly behind the Walmart going down the road there. So we're looking at several communities that are out here in the center of Granbury city limits, and there are some great opportunities. So we're in Catalina Bay, and these have some beautiful Spanish style roofs. It's one of the things that they're known for. Lots of canal properties. Most of the homes out here do have waterfront access. And yeah, this is a property that is new construction, built in 2024. It's a 5-bed, 2.5-bath property that is 2,600 plus square foot, and it is situated on about 1/3 of an acre, just over 1/3 of an acre. So it's a great property, great layout, new construction, beautiful finishes, and as you can see, it is just a fantastic 3-car garage. The price on this one is $689,900, $689,900, and some nice stucco. just a great home. So if you look around in this neighborhood, you'll notice the development is a little bit newer than some of the others that we've looked at around these parts of Granbury, but it is a more developed neighborhood. You have a few trees that are, I'd say, mature, and some beautiful pecans and oak in some of the yards. For canal properties, this is one of the premier neighborhoods inside of the city limits of Granbury for canal properties. It's set up beautifully, and it gives you some really good options. If you're looking to have a waterfront home and you don't necessarily have to have main body water frontage, this would be one of the areas that I would be looking at for sure. There are properties in this neighborhood that are not on the water, and so you don't necessarily have to have a waterfront property out here. It's a gated community, and so it has great security and great features. Location obviously is fantastic. So yeah, this is one great spot to look at if you're thinking about moving inside of the city limits here in Granbury. We're out here in the Harbor Lakes subdivision. We're looking at a new construction property. It's 2023, built last year. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and it is 2360 square foot. It's situated on about a 1/4 acre. So the Harbor Lakes subdivision is, again, a neighborhood inside the city limits. It's going to be down Water's Edge Street. If you're looking at Granbury, it's going to be behind Walmart, down some ways to the left in the little nice subdivision. So manicured home, nice sidewalks throughout, and most of the homes out here are built very energy efficient. So I love the sidewalks. As you can see, there's not many mature trees. This is going to be a newer development. Most of the homes out here are new, and yeah, it's one of the things you'll get. So if you're looking at some newer energy efficient homes, easy to go out, take the dog for a walk, get to know some of the neighbors. I actually sold a home here to someone that relocated, retired here last year, and yeah, they love it. The utility bills are ultra low. You have access to gas, internet, and all of that. The city provides great options, affordable options, and it's a hot spot for those that are looking to retire and have a nicely built home that's energy efficient. So we have one more thing we're going to look at. We're going to go to Highland Park, and then we're going to wrap up our showings for today, looking at some of these properties. I hope you enjoyed the tour so far. We got one more. I'm out here in Highland Park. This is another subdivision inside Granbury city limits, down Water's Edge, behind Walmart. Great community. This is a 55+ community. There's a couple of homes for sale, and rather than highlight them, I've highlighted them before. If you're interested in 55+ communities, reach out to me. But this is one option you can look at. Homes in here are typically between $400,000 and $500,000. They can go slightly higher. If you go to the very back of the neighborhood, which is, you only have about 50 homes. If you go to the very back, you'll find some water properties that are, in the millions. The lot itself that's available now is $500,000. So once those homes are built, they're going to be up there. So great neighborhood. Again, this is a community that was developed by Premier Homes, and there's a couple of different builders that are in here, but it's a great location, really close to town. And yeah, I highly recommend you check this place out if you're looking for a 55+ community back here in this area. So for retirees, maybe that makes sense. One con that we've had is the people that have come to look out here at Highland Park. There is a treatment facility, sewer treatment. Don't smell anything. I'm standing right here. The wind is blowing toward me from the road, and I don't smell anything, but a lot of people just don't like the principle of living that close to a sewer treatment facility. So yeah, that is a con that I've had, come up a few times as people drive by and realize what it is. They're like, I don't know if I want to live that close to the poop station. So yeah, I completely understand that. So I wanted to mention that about this neighborhood. Yeah, so we're finishing up today. We're going to go to the office, and we're going to put all of this into a Google map view. That way you can see where we visited and see it from an aerial look. So we're going to put it there. We hope that's helpful. That'll give you some more information. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming out a few days after this one. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, neighborhoods you want us to look at, leave us a comment here in the video. Ping us, let us know. We'd love the chance to do some legwork for you and see if we can put something of interest together. All right, I'll see you next time.